Hey, what's up everybody? TechFit360 here, and thank you so much for joining me for another video. Yep, I finally did it. I finally picked up me one of those newer C-stands, and I had no idea how incredible it is to have one. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you what I use my C-stand for. I picked my C-stand up on my road to being tech fit, and it starts in
3, 2, 1.
Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please consider joining the TechFit360 crew by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Now let's check out today's video. It's already in progress. Shh. Okay, so now I'm going to lower the boom on you. The boom arm, that is. Now attaching a mic to it is the way to go, especially if you're interested in improving the audio quality of your videos. Now viewers will forgive you for having bad video, but not bad audio. Now I enjoy using lav mics. I think they are great, but come on now, doesn't that look like a big bug on my shirt? I just think videos look better without wearing a lav mic if possible. Now, camera mount mics are good too, but audio can suffer, especially if you're too far away from the mic. Now, I have a Rode VideoMic Pro that I will be attaching to the very end of my boom arm. All you need is a microphone with a 3.5mm plug. I'm using a small ball head, and you'll need a 3.5mm extension cable. Now that I have my mic mounted, I just connect the mic plug to the extension cable, wrap it around the boom arm, and then plug it into the camera. Now I have a mic above my head and out of my camera safe zone. And believe me, the audio sounds so much better than being on my camera 4 feet away. Now this is my favorite reason for having a solid C-stand like this one. I'm talking about overhead shots. Now I believe this angle is one of the best ways to get you, the viewer, involved in the video. When I look at overhead angles, I feel the excitement of unboxing that new product for the very first time. However, sometimes the excitement fades when I see the price tag. Now, I've tried several different methods like having my camera on a monopod, but it's in my way when I'm trying to unbox a product. I've tried attaching an L-mount arm to my unboxing table, but when the table shakes, so does the arm that supports the camera. Now, I have had success with this mount from Elgato attached to a counter, and it works really great when unboxing small items, but I want a one-stop shop, so to speak. With this C-stand, I can again use the boom arm, attach a camera to it, and have the perfect overhead setup. To accomplish this, all you need is a speaker, a ball head, and the base plate. I also recommend picking up some sandbags to prevent the C-stand from tipping over due to the weight of your camera. Now, I've gone through several light stands in the past. I just wish I bought this stand from Neewer earlier for my softboxes. Why didn't somebody tell me? I mean, this is a stainless steel stand. It's very strong. It has a stable turtle base with anti-slip rubber pads. Now, believe me, I've had my share of tipping over light stands, and believe me, it's no fun. Trust. Okay, attached to my C-stand is the Amaran 200D LED video light. It's an excellent light. It'll light this whole area where I film my videos. Also, I have the Aputure Light Dome portable softbox. Now, even without the sandbags, I feel confident that this stand can endure a bump, maybe two, without hitting the floor. Okay, so you've already seen the overhead shot with my camera attached to the boom arm, and this boom arm is about 4.2 feet. So that's pretty cool, right? And the Neewer stand itself can get as high as 10.5 feet. Now I can't do that in here because it'll go through my ceiling. So right now I'm just testing the audio quality of having the mic on the boom arm, which is about maybe, I don't know, 1.5 feet above my head. So hopefully this sounds okay. Now what I'm gonna do now is put the microphone on my camera, which is about maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 feet, maybe 5 feet away from me. So let's see how that sounds. Okay, so now as you can see, I've removed my microphone from the boom arm and I placed it on my camera. So let me know in the comment section how this sounds. Does it sound better with the mic above my head, or does it sound better with the mic about 4 or 5 feet away from me, mounted to the top of my camera? Okay, so now I have the microphone back over my head, and I'm pretty sure, no, I know that it sounds better with having the mic above me versus being on the camera. I'm so glad that I purchased the C-stand. It really helps enhance your videos, whether it's using the boom arm for an overhead mic, or whether it's using it to attach a camera so you can do your overhead shots, or simply just attaching a softbox. I think I'm going to buy another one so I can at least have 2 of these. So now I picked this C-stand up on Amazon. I paid around $180 for it. I'll leave product links for everything that I've shown you in today's video. And if you use my affiliate links, it really helps the channel. It kicks a little bit back to the channel so I can continue making these videos. So please make sure you connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel. Click that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and smash that like button. It helps the channel out as well. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my very next video. God bless.